Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change image banner text color on Shopify. For example, you can see I'm on my Shopify store, and at the moment you can see this is my image banner right here, and you can see the text color is red at the moment. I'll be showing you how you can change yours. The first thing you will need to do is go onto the admin page on your Shopify store. Once on the admin page, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Online Store. Once you have selected Online Store, you will automatically be redirected to the Themes page. Once on the Themes page, what I want you to do is scroll down and right beside the theme that you are using, you are going to tap on Customize. Once you have tapped on Customize, you will automatically be redirected to the Editor page. Once on the Editor page, again you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option. Once on the left-hand menu option, from there you are going to see Template. You are going to go below Template and you are going to tap on Browse, or you are going to tap on the text that you have written, as you can see right here. You now have a few options. For example, you can change the font size. So if you want it to be bold, you could make it bold right there. If you would like it to be italic, you can do that right there. You can also change the heading size, as I was saying earlier. So you could tap right here. If you would like it to be small, you could do that. Or if you would like it to be large or medium, you can also do that. Some other stuff that you can do, as you remember, this is all about changing the color. To change the color, all you will need to do, you are going to tap on Image Banner. Once you have tapped on Image Banner, you will be redirected to this page. Then you are going to scroll down. Once you have scrolled down, you are going to see Color Scheme, and you are going to tap on Edit. Once you have tapped on Edit, you are going to see the option Text, and you are going to tap on the color box beside Text. So let's say I would like to change my text color to green. I could tap on green right there, and you can see that the color has now changed, and you can change it to whichever color you want. All you'll have to do is tap on the color scale right here. So let's say I wanted to change it to blue or purple. You can see right there. You can change it to whatever color you want. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left-hand menu option, or better yet, the right-hand menu option, and you're going to tap on Save. Now, if I were to go back to the preview page, and if I were to refresh the page, you will realize that the image banner text color has now changed from red to blue, as you can see right there. And remember, to change the size of the text again, all we would need to do is close out of this. Then from there, we're going to go back and we're going to tap on the text. So at the moment it is Browse our latest products. Then you are going to tap on heading size. And again, I can tap on large. And you can see that it is now large, as you can see right there. And also I said if you want it to be bold, you could tap on bold. If you would like it to be italic, you can tap on that also. And if you'd like to change the text overall, you can change the text right there. And if you would like to insert a link, you can also do that. So if you would like it to be clickable, so once someone goes right here, they can click on the text and it redirects them to a link. You can change the text right here and you can add a link right there. And then you'll tap on Save, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.